Good morning, everybody. Today I have to drain the fuel conditioner on my 2019 F-250. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to use this. It's a SPE fuel drain plug that is billet and not plastic. And you'll see why this is important when I do the change out. So if you're interested, stick around. So the drain is at the bottom of the fuel conditioner, which is actually a filter. I would change the filter, but it's not time. But I would like to drain, it's the fuel water separator, so I'd like to drain it to make sure I don't have any water in there, because evidently if you don't take care of that, you can get water into the injectors, which is not a good thing for this truck. So the first step is I've got a bucket, and I have my new billet piece, which is very, very well made. It's already got gasketing on it, or seals. And so the first thing is I gotta turn this and get it to drain. All right, I'm gonna try to do this without making too big of a mess and not blocking your view. So this is simply a turn. There we go. All right, so there we go. Got it broke loose. When I do this, the manual said it's about a half a liter, whatever that is. So I got a 5-gallon bucket. So we'll let it drain, and then I'll turn it back on and show you how to take it out. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you where to find this. This is directly in front of the fuel tank on short bed, 4-wheel drive. I assume they're all like that. There's a transfer case, and right behind it is this fuel conditioner slash filter. So there you go. The manual says to change the filters every 30,000 miles. I'm only at 18, which is why I'm not changing it right now. But I plan to hopefully, when I change the oil at 20,000 miles, I'll probably change it, just to be on the safe side. And when I do that, I'll do a video on that. All right, after quite a while, it's drained out, and now I'm gonna try to take it out with as little mess as possible. But as you can see, it has, well, on this other one, you can see it. It's got these tabs. I don't know if that's in focus, but it's got these tabs, and these tabs are what holds it in. And I don't know if you can see it, but the tab is right there, and it rides in this groove, which I'll show you better when I get it out. But it should come straight out once you got those aligned. There we go. And there it's out. And you can see I did it. I didn't break anything. Hopefully you can focus. But there's the two tabs of the fitting. So you see those grooves? That's what it fits into. All right, so there it is. Here's the new one. I just got to line it up with the tabs. There we go. There's one. All right, I'm gonna have to use 2 hands, but let me put you down. All right, it's fit back in there, and then you just tighten it, and then it feels like it's done, but then you gotta, did you hear it click? Make sure it clicks so you don't have a leak. And so that's all there is to draining your fuel conditioner slash water separator. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments. And that was pretty simple, and it's a basic maintenance item that you can do on your own. And like I said, when I do a fuel filter, I will show you how to do it. So there it is. That's the factory one. Definitely not billet. And you can see how this could leave you stranded if you broke one of those tabs off, because then you couldn't tighten it down and lock it and you'd have a leak. So anyways, there you go. All right, as always, I really appreciate everybody that watches. I really appreciate it. Thank you for all your support. If you liked it, please press the subscribe. If you liked it, share it, and I'll just keep making videos. Thank you and have a great day.